Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to export the Lovable projects to VS Code. First, open your browser and go to the Lovable website. Once you are on the home page, look at the left side menu and click on All Projects. This will show you a list of all the projects you have created so far. Next, either create a new project by clicking Create New Project or select a project you have already made. After opening your project, click on the code icon at the top of the project page. Then, select any file, for example, app.css to view its code. Copy the content of the file to ensure you have a backup of your work before exporting. After that, click on the code icon again. Here, look for the GitHub icon and click on it. This feature allows you to connect your Lovable project with GitHub, making it easy to open and edit in VS Code. Then, select Connect to GitHub. Now, click on Connect Project and then Add Organizations. Enter your GitHub username or email address, followed by your password. Once logged in, go back and turn on the toggle next to the name of your GitHub organization. This ensures that the project is linked to the correct GitHub account and organization, so all your code and updates are properly synced. Next, open a new tab in your browser and search for Visual Studio Code. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. On the VS Code page, select Download for Windows. Visual Studio Code is a powerful code editor that supports GitHub integration, making it ideal for managing and editing your Lovable projects. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the prompts to install Visual Studio Code on your computer. Finally, after installing, open Visual Studio Code. You can either clone your GitHub repository to your local computer or create a new folder and paste the copied files from Lovable. This will allow you to start editing your project with the advanced tools and features VS Code provides, such as syntax highlighting, extensions, and live previews. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.